Whoa! Woo!
Wow.
Aw, do we have to?
P.U.
Who needs a drink?
Keep sniffing, pups. We're getting close.
But your little smell's turning me into a big sneezer. Paw Patrol ready for action, Riders, sir! Please don't pick me, please don't pick me. Now let's see if we can find out what's wrong with Excuse me, another one? But wait, that one's way closer to the danger zone. What if I sneeze and scare her? Uh-oh. That tickles my nose.